Hi everyone, am I audible enough? Hi there, we are just trying to be online, but I think we are facing some difficulties, technical issues. Hi Khushbu, are you there? Hi
Yes.
Khushbu. So
Yeah.
let's see if you can, see me live on Facebook. Otherwise, we'll start with Instagram
Yeah.
only. So I'm live
Yeah.
on Facebook as well. So let's see if, you can check it and
Mm. Is it showing live like on Facebook?
yeah, it is live. Yeah, it is live.
So can you
On the
send me a
page.
request? Can you send me a request there?
But you have to be online, on the page. You have
I'm on
to
your page
check the
only.
video.
I'm on the page only.
Can't you see that live video?
No, it is showing two options only. Either I can see a profile picture or story.
On the page, are you sure you're on the page or you are on the profile?
No, I'm on your page. Baby Organo
Uh-huh.
brand page.
So,
So
no,
I
I
don't know.
think.
Okay, one sec. Yeah, one sec. Now I'm like I can watch you.
So let's see if you can,
No.
see me.
Mm.
No?
Now I can see your live video, Riddhi, but it is showing that you ended it. Like,
That was the
or is it
another
like,
one. I've again lived one more video. So,
okay, okay, one sec, yeah, one sec.
like that. Let me check here first.
Acha, it is showing was live. Okay, so ye video you have ended.
And there's one more video. Like I'm live now. We have 5 audiences with us. Rupa,
Yeah,
Sohasini. We have Madhvi with us. Hi everyone.
yes, yeah. Now
Can
you
you
can
hear us?
send me a request.
Yeah. So can you just send hi?
Yep. Hi, Riddhi
And
on
we can.
Facebook.
You can see the. Okay. Yes, I got your
Yeah.
hi, but it still don't show me any you viewers in the invite link. So let's do one thing. Let's all my Facebook viewers. We are just starting the live on the Instagram with a very popular and well-known mom influencer, Khushbu Majitia. Her blog name is mommy_record.
Yeah.
And please join us on the Instagram because of the some technical issues we are not able to invite her in our live link in Facebook. So yes, we are live on the Instagram and we are chit chatting there and we will announce the winners. So if you don't have Instagram account, you can stay here with us. But if you have Instagram account, then I would request you to go there and check us live. So Khushbu, shall we start on Instagram now?
Yes. So
Yeah.
hi once
Okay.
again, Riddhi and I are welcoming all of you to our live session and thank you so much. आप लोग कब से it's been like more than 20 minutes, but you are here and thank you so much for this. So it seems Riddhi like it is visible on your face that how much are you excited and happy? Yeah, you
Yes.
are expecting a baby only, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So Riddhi, we will talk about this product that we are going to launch virtually. But before that, can you please? I know there is an interesting story behind, the behind the story of Baby Organo. So how did you plan and launch a brand?
Okay, so let me just give you a brief about how this Baby Organo brand was born.
Yeah.
So when my baby was born, my baby Kayan was born 2 years ago. He was always been a colicky baby,
Okay.
and so I had to give him colic drops, the oral medicine. He was just a fizzy baby that he was not taking oral drops at all. Even if I gave
Hmm.
him oral drops, he just spit it out. So no, I didn't have any other option for
Mm-hmm.
the external application. Then
Okay.
Mama Annie's remedies, I get to know about this, applying hing paste on baby's
Okay.
tummy, so to get the relief
Yeah.
from the colic and colic issues in the babies. So I had started doing that thing, hing wala apply karna hai baby ko garam
Nice.
karke लगाओ. So I started this all these things, but when baby was crying at it in the midnight, like 12 o'clock or in the 2 a.m. in the morning, it is very tedious to wake
It's
up and
so
what I
heartbreaking
can
as well.
do.
We can't see them
Exactly,
crying. Yeah.
exactly. So, I was looking for some solution. Now we cannot keep the hing dipped in the water and keep it overnight. That is not possible. You have to make it instantly. So
Yeah.
I was researching on the things, and one of my friend is fortunately an Ayurvedic doctor. So I discussed with her about the things, like how to go with the things and how to go with these colic issues and
Mm-hmm.
everything. So
Mm-hmm.
she has made some really good things with the essential oils, because she told me that hing alone can give the burning sensation to the newborns,
That's true.
especially
Yeah.
6 months of baby. They might get
And
irritated
skin is
skin,
so
anxiety.
sensitive at that age. Yeah.
Exactly. So no, so she
Yeah.
gave me a really good in डब्बे में थोड़ा सा दिया था उसने mix करके, the combination of essential oils and everything, and I started using that, and I really liked that thing. उसके बाद
Okay.
this idea came up. I thought कि this is the better solution than giving the colic drops. Now after one or
Mm-hmm.
two, my baby had a severe cold and cough issues. Then again the same issue started, like oral drops were not working for him, and I was always I was always inclined towards the natural remedies instead of giving the allopathy
That's true.
medicine,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So I was doing that potli, tulsi potli and pan
I
potli
know.
and something like that. काफी सारे उसके solutions है babies के लिए. But again, waking up in the night and doing all these things were very, very tedious things.
I know.
So after that, again, I just discussed with this Ayurvedic doctor, and again, they gave me the really good solution with the right amount of the correct mixture of essential oils. So this
Oh
is
wow.
how our first two products, hing roll-on and cold relief roll-on, started. And then I just thought that this is not only mine issue. This issue is
I have
yours.
both of them.
लाली बूटी प्रोडक्ट्स. तो देन आई डिसाइड करे यार ये तो सब में मम्मीज का इश्यूज होगा यही चीज का.
I know.
So why don't we start the thing like baby organ? This is how with the thing like the uh, this is the thing like necessity is the mother of invention. So this is how this idea came up, and then this product started. So now I'm more inclined towards the natural remedies and cure the things naturally, and this is how this company started, Baby Organ.
Wow. मतलब whenever we face any problem or hurdle, like हम लोग solution लाता है, but you like launched a brand itself.
Exactly. So more
Wonderful.
and more mothers can take benefits from this thing.
That's true. See, if I talk about my son, उसको ज़्यादा issue नहीं था, but yeah, he was also a colic baby. So first 2-3 months like were hard for us, you
Yeah.
know. But वही वो हिंग वाला thing और फिर skin sensitive, very fragile. तो कैसे apply करे? And I used to start crying, like along with him. I
Right.
still remember those days. So like yeah, तब अगर पता चल जाता तो ये ज़्यादा ठीक रहता, but कोई नहीं अभी.
I think many new
Fine.
mothers can try these products now.
Yeah, and actually Riddhi, like after becoming a mom, मैं आयुर्वेदा में पहले से believe करती हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है, but once I got pregnant with my son and then Anhat was born, उसके बाद जो natural remedies है या आयुर्वेदा है उस पे belief, faith वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही आने लगा.
Right.
Because वो home remedies वो हमने try करना शुरू किया and we saw the result. I mean, my husband and I, so we decided like we will go for home remedies first. अगर
Right.
उससे कुछ बात नहीं बनती है तो फिर दूसरे options we'll go
lose
for
down.
that.
Definitely. See,
Yeah,
Ayurvedic thing क्या है कि this will give you the result slowly. You
I
will
know.
not get the instant result, but
Yeah,
it will help the body to gain the immunity naturally, like unlike the
true.
allopathy medicine. So that is the
Yeah,
thing. So I just want to tell you one thing. If you have seen this cold relief roll on, this is our new packaging. Old packaging was something like this. Now we have
yeah.
the new packaging of our cold relief
Mm.
roll on. We have penguin with cold penguin in there.
Yeah.
So this roll-on what helps is when I initially launched this product, and I have distributed in my friends to
Okay.
let know about the feedback for the feedback. So they
Yeah.
started using it, and the next day my one of my friend came, अरे रिद्धि ये प्रोडक्ट से तो क्या हुआ मेरे बेबी को और भी कफ हो गया. मैंने कहा हाउ डू यू नो कि और भी कफ हो गया. तो शी टोल्ड मी कि उसकी पोटी में कफ निकल रहा है, उसके गले में से कफ निकल रहा है.
Oh
आई वाज
God.
लाइक दिस इज द नेचुरल
That's,
थिंग.
I
The
know.
body
Yeah.
is getting
And that
spitting
is
out the
actually
cough.
good. Yeah.
Exactly. So she was like, अरे यार मैं कफ सिरप देती थी तब तो नहीं होता था, because cough syrup suppresses the cough inside the body, while
Exactly.
this product will help the body to let the cough out. So no,
That's
अंदर से वो निकल जाएगा. Exactly. So no, this is the main benefit of this product. जो भी mummies use करे, if they experience extra coughing the next day, उसको लग रहा है कि बेबी की पट्टी में कफ आ रहा है, गले से कफ निकल रहा है, तो that is the good thing. Keep applying it, तो वो naturally कफ remove करेगा body में
that's
से.
true.
So that is the thing, natural thing.
So I got a call actually. So Riddhi, the product we are going to launch today virtually.
Yes.
We will talk about that. But before that, I would like to know some things from you that in this time, in this pandemic, right? How are you, coping up with this situation? आप कैसे home remedies, कौन सी home remedies try कर रहे हो to boost the immunity of your child?
Hmm. Sure. See, the first thing, what I'm seeing from what we have learned from this pandemic, actually, we should learn something from this pandemic, that
Of
immunity
course,
is
yeah,
the most important thing. अभी
yeah,
जो भी हो रहा है, जो भी टुडे इट इज कोविड, कल जाके और कुछ वायरसेस
कुछ
निकल आएंगे, सो द इम्यूनिटी इज द बेस्ट. वैक्सीन आएगी, वैक्सीन नहीं आएगी, बट बेस्ट थिंग इज योर बॉडी टू फाइट, टू
that's true.
उसको प्रिपेयर करना है टू फाइट विद दिस वायरसेस, अननोन वायरसेस, उसके लिए. ठीक है. सो होम रेमेडीज एंड नेचुरली boost the immunity is the main thing that we should learn during this pandemic. Now, when my baby had started the outer milk, like he had started with the cow's milk after 1 year. So what I had do is I started adding haldi in his food, in his milk. So
Yeah,
again, turmeric. Everyone knows that turmeric has so many benefits, like
yeah,
to boost the immunity naturally. So this is one of the things that I started giving to my baby
that's
since he
right.
was 1 year old, and with the natural thing. So whenever it is like, see, haldi is, as per the Ayurveda, वो थोड़ी गर्म होती है हल्दी. So we should avoid
Yeah,
doing
yeah,
that during the summers, because यहाँ पे summers भी ज्यादा होते हैं, harsh
yeah.
होते हैं. So as soon as monsoon has started or the winters will start, it's better to start giving the babies turmeric milk once in a day. That
True.
is more than enough for the immunity thing. The another one is jaggery. Again, the
Yeah,
natural
that's,
iron deficiency, jaggery is really good for the iron deficiency in the babies.
yeah.
Yeah, jaggery, at least add jaggery once in a day in baby's food. That is another thing that is really good for the immunity boosting. So these are the
Okay,
two things that I'm using right now for my baby for the immunity.
okay, that's great. That's great. And I'm glad I'm following both of them.
Yeah,
So I'm
that's good.
relieved. Yeah. So जो भी अभी इंस्टा पे और फेसबुक पे हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं, फेसबुक पे मैं दिख नहीं रही हूँ, but yeah, I would like to mention that please stay with us. We are going to announce the winners जिन लोगों ने contest में part लिया था. And yeah, let us talk about those hints first, right? Okay. So Baby Organum ने कुछ hints दिए थे आप लोगों को, ये जो नई प्रोडक्ट हम लोग लॉन्च कर रहे हैं आज, उसको गेस करने के लिए, राइट? सो फर्स्ट जो हिंट थी उसका आंसर रिद्धि आप बताओगे या मैं बताऊं?
You go ahead. I know the
Yeah.
answer.
Okay, so the correct answer is Shankh Pushpi, right? Am I right, Riddhi?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, and it helps in boosting memory and aid intellect, right?
Yeah.
So those who had answered Shankh Pushpi, stay with us because your first answer is correct. Yeah.
See,
And
if you know about that, Shankh Pushpi, if you know, पहले syrups आती थी Shankh Pushpi की.
I
We
know.
all
Yeah.
have brought up with having that syrup.
True.
I
True.
Dandu की थी, I don't know the company name, but it was so popular that you can find it in each and every home, जो भी आयुर्वेदा में believe करते हैं. And touchwood, I think इसीलिए the thing is that we can grasp more things and memory भी अच्छी है compared to the other ones who doesn't have it. So no, yes, Shankh Pushpi have Shankh Pushpi is known as a brain booster. It is very beneficial for the brain. Other
Yeah.
than that, Shankh Pushpi is also good for the mental fatigue. अभी बच्चे ज्यादातर क्या होते हैं, they cannot concentrate on one thing, और वो बार बार एक जगह से दूसरी जगह डाइवर्ट हो के they can get, they can feel fatigue. Mentally वो
True.
fatigue हो जाते हैं और वो
Yeah.
फिर और कुछ नहीं concentrate कर पाते. तो शंख पुष्प is really good for that thing also. It also
Yeah.
improves the digestion.
Mhm.
Babies like, as far as I know, up to 2 years of age, babies की digestive system अभी ready होती है, up to the 2 years of age.
Hmm.
ठीक है, उस टाइम पे इफ विल गिव देम अ प्रॉपर मेडिसिन तो उसकी डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को प्रॉपर करने में वो हेल्प करती है. सो शंख पुष्प हेल्प्स इन द डाइजेशन सिस्टम आल्सो, एंड या दीज आर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ द शंख पुष्प.
Okay. Great. So the second hint जो बेबी ऑर्गेनो ने अपने फेसबुक इंस्टाग्राम पे आप लोगों को गेस करने के लिए दिया था, उसका करेक्ट आंसर है ब्रह्माणी.
इट्स द ब्राह्मी, इट्स द ब्राह्मी.
ब्राह्मी. यस,
ब्राह्मी.
इट इज ब्राह्मी.
So,
एंड मुझे ज्यादा नहीं पता, लेकिन हाँ इतना मुझे पता है कि वो अटेंशन या कंसंट्रेशन पावर जो है बच्चों की, उसको
Right.
बहुत हेल्प एंड सपोर्ट करता है. राइट ऋतिक?
Yes. Brahmi is another, ingredient herb. We can say a herb in Ayurveda that is
Yeah.
helps to boost the brain functions. So brain के जो function है उसको boost करने के लिए Brahmi is one of the essential herb for that. Other than that, another benefit is it improves the skin tone. Like, baby potentially, see, I'm not encouraging anyone कि नहीं मेरा बेबी काला है उसको गोरा कर दो. It won't do that thing. But अपना जो natural skin tone है, it improves that thing because it works as the detoxify. So it can improve the skin tone. Again, it can improve the respiratory health. Respiratory जो भी पूरी system है अपनी, जो भी खाना जाता है खाते फिर निकलता है, पूरा जो अंदर adjust वो system जो काम कर रहे उसको properly काम function करने में Brahmi helps. And other than that, it is again an immunity booster. It strengthens the immune system, the entire immune system of the body.
Okay, we just have to make sure about the quantity, right? Because वो कितने quantity में आप दे रहे हो वो भी बहुत matter करता है.
Yeah, exactly. So if you are giving it alone the Brahmi, so you should consult the Ayurvedic doctor. Otherwise, this is one of the essential thing in our new product launch. This is the essential ingredient. So we have combined it very well with the proper guidelines. And
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And do you want me to reveal the third thing, or should we wait more?
Third hint, let the users answer, because everyone has answered it. Most of them has answered it incorrectly. For this contest or for future contests, you see, we are going to have so many contests on this website, on our Facebook and Instagram. So this is my single request to all users: don't copy paste the above answer. If that answer is wrong, then your chances will be, you will be eliminated from the contest. So you just get the, we have prepared very hard to make those slides and to make those hints for you, and we have tried to make it very easy. So आप जल्दी से guess कर पा रहे हो, but please आप आगे के contestant ने जो answer दिया है participants ने, please don't copy paste that answer. You just check the slides, check the hints, and decide by yourself कि इसका answer क्या हो सकता है. So
you can Google about it.
Yeah, exactly. Hints were so easy for everyone to guess. But I'm very much disappointed for my participants that काफी लोगों ने उसका गलत आंसर दिया है.
But we will not disappoint them. We have exactly. Something for everyone.
Yeah. Of course, we'll have it. Yeah. Yes, Bhavna, you are right. So the answer is Swarna Bhasma. It is known as the gold ash. Right. Yeah, Khushbu.
And it helps in digestion and immunity like anything. Because see, मुझे इसलिए पता है कि अनहद जब born हुआ ना, वो 1 साल का भी नहीं था, तब से I have been following this thing. जो प्रोडक्ट के बारे में हम लोग अभी बात करेंगे, because मेरी फैमिली में भी there are 2 Ayurvedic doctors.
Oh wow, yeah.
Yeah.
So you must be very
So
well aware about the products and the numerous benefit of this product.
एग्जैक्टली एंड यू नो इट्स वो मेरे नॉलेज डोमेन में नहीं है कि ये कितना बेनिफिशियल है, बट आई हैव सीन दैट, आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड, आई हैव फेल्ट दैट, बिकॉज मेरे बच्चे को मैं हर रोज ग्रो लाइक डेवलप होते हुए मैं देख रही हूँ, सो आई नो कि वो क्या डिफरेंस कर सकता है. या
Right.
सो द थर्ड हिंट, उसका करेक्ट आंसर है स्वर्ण भस्म, जिसका मोस्ट पीपल हैव आंसर्ड इनकरेक्टली. So guys,
Yes.
as Ritu said, do not follow other people. Think,
Right.
Google, you'll get the right answers, right? Ritu, आप स्वर्ण भाषा में कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
Yeah, please. So the main benefit of Swarna Bhashma is, it is really good for the improving the mental health. जो भी होता है, हम देख रहे हैं अभी काफी stressful environment चल रहा है, celebrities are committing suicides, going into the depressions. ये सब क्यों हो रहा है? It happens because of this is a type of mental illness, we can say,
Yeah.
right? Because our mind is not strong enough to, take the things. See, we can see both type of people. Some are, going through this storm and they want to go out of this storm easily. They can go out of with this storm easily. Now others are, कि वो suicide कर रहे, depression में जा रहे, उनको जरूरत पड़ती. Now mental health is very important in today's life and in future as well. So the major advantage of this Swarna Bhasma, or we can say gold ash, is that it helps very well in the mental stability, in mental health. It helps a lot to increase this thing. Other than that, it improves the skin tone, and it is really good to build the immunity system against the bacteria and different viruses. So again, this is
Okay.
how it will help to improve the immune system by fighting with the bacteria and viruses. And other than that, it helps in reduces the temper tantrums in the babies. Everyone might have
Oh wow.
faced temper tantrums.
Toddlers and preschoolers are the main shows and of tantrums. कहाँ से लाते हैं कुछ पता नहीं है, but हाँ, हम देखते
जितने
हैं.
tantrums मम्मा को भी नहीं होते जितने बेबीज को होते हैं.
Exactly.
और फिर बेड वेटिंग में भी काफी हेल्पफुल है. काफी बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिनको रात को, मतलब एक बार वो सुसु ट्रेन हो गए, उसके बाद रात को शायद बेड वेटिंग की प्रॉब्लम होती है ना. बेड वेटिंग इज अ टाइप ऑफ डिसऑर्डर, हम वी कैन से दैट थिंग, कि उनको काफी कभी कभी हो जाते हैं. तो दिस इज वेरी गुड थिंग इन बेड वेटिंग ऑल्सो. एंड अदर न्यूरोसाइकोमेस्टिक जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है बेबीज के लिए, जो मेंटल हेल्थ रिलेटेड है, it is very very helpful in this thing. So if this product is given in the regular basis up to the 15 years of age to the kids, it will help a lot to develop their mental health and the
Wow.
mind. Yeah.
Wow. So guys, here we are with all three correct answers. The first is Sank Pushpi, second is Brahmi, and third is Swarna Bhasma, Gold Ash. So stay with us. I know some of you have answered 3 of them correctly. So stay tuned with us. We are going to announce the winners super soon, right? And with it,
So one answer is pending. The final question was to guess the product name.
Yeah, that we will.
Yeah,
But
okay.
I thought कि हम लोग प्रोडक्ट के साथ ही उसको भी रिवील कर लेना.
Okay, sure.
Let's reveal the product. What say? Or you want to?
Okay, are you all excited to see the product?
चलो,
Say
let's
hi.
see some hearts first in the comment
Yeah,
box.
Please send some hearts if you are
Heart boxes,
excited
and then we are going to
for the
reveal the
product.
product. All right answers. Mao Finaya, great. Stay tuned. Hi Arpita, first time mom. Hi. Aditi Bora, finger crossed. Mao Finaya, okay. Hi. So guys, are you all excited? Should we reveal the product?
Okay, yes, we are getting hearts. So many hearts right now.
Okay. Yeah, Riddhi.
So, yeah. Okay, so this is, here we are going to unveil our new product, a Bal Amrut Suvarna Prashan. So this is the Suvarna Prashan. This is our product. Suvarna Prashan is very well known Ayurvedic medicine for the overall mental and physical growth of the babies. And if you can see, we have a panda as our mascot, a super panda.
Yeah.
Our babies are, like pandas only. They can
Packaging is good, like the packaging is also good and cute, like this panda and penguin on your products.
So this is how we can relate the mascot with our babies.
या रिद्धि आप फेसबुक वाले डिवाइस पे भी दिखाओ ना कैमरे के पास, बिकॉज वो साइड में जा रहा
Okay,
है.
yeah. See, this
Yeah,
is the unrevealing of the product, guys.
So this is the product.
This is the product, yeah.
And the name is Bal Amrut.
Bal Amrut Suvarna Prashan.
एंड मैं इतना रिलेट कर पा रही हूँ रिद्धि, बिकॉज मैंने ये मेरे बच्चे को दिया है और मैं अभी भी देती हूँ. उसके बारे में बात करेंगे हम लोग, कब दे सकते हैं, व्हाट शुड बी द क्वांटिटी, एंड व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स ओवरऑल. वी विल टॉक अबाउट दैट. बट मैंने ये अनहद को, माय सन्स नेम इज अनहद एंड ही इज 3.5 years old. मैंने उसको ये दिया है, सो आई नो कि ये कितना बेनिफिशियल है. So see guys, it is not only about this COVID situation, but the time has come कि कभी भी कुछ भी हम लोग फेस कर रहे हैं अभी. ठीक है, हर बार वो दवाई लेना या फिर पैनिक करना, उससे बेटर है कि हम लोग हमारे बच्चों की इम्यूनिटी, उनकी जो स्ट्रेंथ है उसके लिए क्यों काम ना करें. सो आई थिंक दिस इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन, दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग यू कैन डू. एंड ऐसा देयर इज नो पर्टिकुलर एज के, ठीक है 2 साल से ऊपर हो गया बच्चा तो ही आप ये देख सकते हो. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम लाइक आपका बेबी सम मंथ्स ओल्ड है या फिर 15 साल के बच्चे तक आप ये उनको दे सकते हैं. हाँ, सबका डोजेज अलग अलग रहेगा, वी विल टॉक अबाउट दैट. बट थैंक यू रिद्धि फॉर दिस.
So yeah, as you have said, like the initial, see what an expert says, that initial 5 years are very important for kids.
Yes.
Overall physical and mental development. They are like growing so rapidly they are growing कि उनको सारे nutritions चाहिए, उनको काफी सारे ये सारी चीजें चाहिए उनके physical और mental growth के लिए. Have you tasted it? How does it taste?
Tastes good. I mean, Anhad will love it. Surely, it's sweet, like that kind of thing only. Like, so I don't think babies will resist. I don't.
Not at all. And you won't believe me, I am giving this to my son since he was 6 months old. So yeah, this product like जो अच्छे से हमने research करके trial and error से थोड़ा formula change करके बनाया है. So it is like it took an year to develop this final formula. But my baby is always ready. When I give him in the morning, like he wakes up, he is like, "Mama, दवाई दो. Mama, give me this." Because he likes it so much, and he just lie down on the bed. Mama, मुझे दे दो दवाई आप वो वाली. So he likes it so very much, this medicine. So yeah, so what I was saying is कि initial 5 months are very crucial for babies' mental and physical development, and to giving them the right nutrition is equally important during this stage. So this our Bal Amrut Suvarna Prashan has mostly all the ingredients or all the herbs, mixture of herbs available in this Bal Amrut Suvarna Prashan, that is helpful for the mental and physical growth of the baby. So everything is covered in just this thing.
Yeah. So and you have mentioned each and everything, the quantity, the benefits, the ingredients.
Everything is mentioned on the box. Yeah. Everything is mentioned on the
benefits of this Bal Amrut Suvarna Prashan.
Could you please read it out again, Khushbu? It is a Suvarna Prashan. Yeah, please read out the benefits of Bal.
So, the first is it boosts immunity system. It increases overall physical and mental health, as we discussed about it. It enhances memory and improves digestion. And Anhad के लिए ये मैं इसलिए ज़्यादा prefer करूँ because he has like constipation issue, so I know it can help a lot. Then it also nurtures early physical and mental development. It helps to recover body from illness. Yeah, वो body को वो support करता है वो जल्दी recover होने में.
Yeah, this is the thing. Natural immunity है तो it will help the body to recover from the illness. Yeah,
true. It improves digestion and boosts appetite, and it naturally nourishes skin.
खुशबू सभी मम्मी का I have seen that ज्यादातर मम्मी का क्या प्रॉब्लम है, बच्चा खाना नहीं खा रहा है, ठीक से खाता नहीं है, एक रोटी खा ली, आधी रोटी खा ली, बस दैट्स इट, और कुछ खा नहीं रहा है. तो वो जो एपेटाइट है ये बूस्ट करने का भी काम करता है. And let me tell you my personal experience. See, I'm not claiming anything,
Yeah.
but I'm just telling my personal experience that earlier when my baby used to wake up और उसको जब बीच में मैंने थोड़ा बंद कर दिया था देना because of some I was overloaded with work and everything, तो मैं भूल जाती थी इसके डोजेज देने को बेबी को. So my son was doing like कि सुबह उठा खेलने लग गया, दूध नहीं मांग रहा है. Now I have started given this one passion like continue चल रहा है 6 से ऊपर का, and every time I'll explain you how to give this dosage, but after 15 or 20 minutes he is like mama give me the milk, mama दूध दे दो मुझे भूख लगी है. So this is actually beneficial to boost the appetite of the babies. Really, if you are giving it regularly as per the dosage, then I'm sure that it will help your babies also to increase to boost the appetite.
No, bilkul, and many moms would be able to relate with this situation because many of us face the same situation that बच्चा खाना नहीं खा रहा ठीक से उसको भूख कम लग रही है या उसके टेंशन से खाने में. So nothing like that. Immunity का तो काम है ही, but yeah, जिन बच्चों को भूख नहीं लग रही या कम लगती है उनके लिए भी ये बहुत हेल्प करता है. So that's the best thing. And yeah, the last thing, Riddhi, of course but I will read it out. It protects against autism, hyperactivity, delayed mental and physical growth.
Wow. Yes, right. So the ingredients the ingredients which we have used. See, let me tell you one of the main ingredients for that. We have used the chitrak. Chitrak is another Ayurvedic herb used in this product. So what chitrak is doing is वो जो पूरा ओवरऑल वेट मैनेजमेंट जो अपने बॉडी का जो इम्यून सिस्टम होती है जो वेट मैनेजमेंट प्रॉपर करता है जो न्यूट्रिशंस प्रॉपरली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता है बॉडी में प्रॉपरली. सो इट हेल्प्स अ लॉट इन दैट थिंग कि बॉडी को वो प्रॉपरली हेल्प करता है न्यूट्रिशन सब जो बॉडीज में जा रहे हैं प्रॉपरली पहुंच रहे हो एब्जॉर्ब करने में. द मेन थिंग इज न्यूट्रिशन. आज आपने बेबी को फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैल्शियम की टेबलेट या सिरप दे दी पर वो कैल्शियम अगर बॉडी एब्जॉर्ब ही नहीं कर रहा है, अगर वो पॉटी में या सुसु में निकल रहा है, तो व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ गिविंग देम कैल्शियम? कैल्शियम शुड बी एब्जॉर्ब्ड इन द बॉडी. कैल्शियम कैसे एब्जॉर्ब होगा? विटामिन डी के साथ. जनरली कैल्शियम और विटामिन डी that are the we can see brothers कि वो दोनों एक साथ होते हैं तो ही कैल्शियम एब्जॉर्ब होता है. सो चित्रक जो हमने यूज किया है वो एक्चुअली जो भी न्यूट्रिशन है सारे बॉडी को वो एब्जॉर्ब करने में हेल्प करता है. सो काफी सारी मेंटल इलनेस जो होती है एज आई सेड अर्लियर कि वो ज्यादातर लेक ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन ही होती है और कोई नहीं होता है कोई प्रॉब्लम. तो इफ अगर सारे न्यूट्रिशन अच्छे से बॉडी में जा रहे एब्जॉर्ब हो रहे देन देयर वोंट बी एनी प्रॉब्लम with the mental illness और ज्यादातर नहीं आएगी प्रॉब्लम्स उसमें. So this is how it helps. Think.
Okay. And with the dosage के बारे में भी it is
let me
कुछ करना चाहेंगे कि कौन सी एज के बच्चे को कितना ये देना चाहिए?
Okay, yeah. So let me give my viewers a brief about the Suvarna Prashan. Actually, what is the Suvarna Prashan and how कैसे पता चला? लाइक सब पूछ रहे होंगे, सबके दिमाग में चला कि सुवर्ण प्राशन कैसे इन्वेंट कर लिया आपने अभी के लिए. सो द थिंग इज दैट सुवर्ण प्राशन neither invented by me nor by any अभी जो आयुर्वेदिक डॉक्टर्स है उनसे नहीं हुआ है इन्वेंट. ये हमारे ऋषि मुनियों ने इन्वेंट किया हुआ है.
Exactly.
It is the age-old Ayurvedic thing and it was invented by महर्षि कश्यप. उन्होंने महर्षि कश्यप ने ये इन्वेंट किया था सुवर्ण प्राशन और उन्होंने कहा है अपनी बुक में द नेम इज कश्यपा समीथा. उन्होंने कहा है सुवर्ण प्राशन ही एतत् मेधा अग्नि बलवर्धनम आयुष्वम मंगलम पुण्यम वृष्णम ग्रहापहम मासता परम भावे व्याधिर भिन्न च दुष्यते षड्भिर मासे श्रुतधर सुवर्ण प्राशदा भवेत. I know किसी को पता नहीं चला होगा मैं क्या बोले, but this is what he had mentioned in his book and the actual meaning, let me translate it in English कि actual meaning क्या है ये श्लोक का. The thing is that Suvarna Prashan improves intelligence, digestive fire and physical power in the babies. It gives long spiritual, holy and sanity life. It gives rejuvenative effects on and tones up the skin. It improves immunity in a way so that the child is prevented from bacterial and viral infections. Regular use of Suvarnaprashan helps in such a way that the child gets better immunity to defeat the diseases. Regular use of Suvarnaprashan makes child very intelligent and he or she can remember all heard by themselves. Slow,
Wow.
easy.
Wow.
So this is the actual meaning of what he has written in his book about the Suvarnaprashan. So this is, let me tell you, users, this is really something very great about the babies. Even I didn't knew, until my baby was 6 months old, and I was introduced by this, and I am using it regularly for my baby, and it is really very good product. अगर if you are working, if you cannot give, you can make different dishes for your baby, nutritions के लिए ये करना है वो करना है, search नहीं कर रहा है, if you are like a lazy mother like me, कि अरे यार न्यूट्रिशन कितना कुछ करे कितना कुछ करे, सब कम ही पड़ता है, तो only one of this Suvarnaprashan per day will ease all your problems. Exactly. So the dosage, let me give my users the dosage instructions, like how to give it, how to give the Suvarnaprashan. So Suvarnaprashan can be given on daily basis or especially on the Pushya Nakshatra. Pushya Nakshatra, Pushya means Poshan. Poshan means nutrition. So Pushya Nakshatra is really good day for the babies to give this Suvarnaprashan or to start this Suvarnaprashan thing. And other than that, you can give it daily. आप पुष्य नक्षत्र से start कर सकते हैं, and you can give the dosage daily as per the instructions. So if your baby is like 0 to 5 years old, you need to give 1 drop per day. If your baby is between 5 to 10 years of age, you have to give 2 drops per day. These are just the drops, not ml, not gram, just 2 drops.
Yeah, because
from
the
10
system,
to 50.
because यहाँ से directly वो drop आप count कर पाओगे, वो उसी quantity में आएगा. So there is no need to see the measurements like in ml. You just have to go with the drops thing only.
Yeah, and if your baby is between 10 to 5 years of age, then 3 years daily is sufficient for your baby.
So Dipti,
yeah.
Somebody has asked you, yes, Dipti, you can give this to 10 years old kid.
Yes, definitely you can give it.
The dosage will be 3 drops.
Yeah, dosage will be 3 drops.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can start from the Pushya. See, Pushya Nakshatra comes every 27 days. So it is monthly. एक बार आता ही है Pushya Nakshatra. You just check it out. Like we have upcoming Pushya Nakshatra on 21st July.
Very soon. Yeah, 21st July is the day. तब से आप ये शुरू कर सकते हो. तो guys, today is 18th, right? So आपके पास बहुत कम टाइम है. आप हम लोग अभी बताएंगे कि how can you order this product और कहाँ से कैसे, वो सब बताएंगे आपको. बट अगर आपको ये टाइम में ज्यादा डिले नहीं करना है, ये शुरू करना है, तो आपके पास अभी 2-3 दिन है. यू कैन ऑर्डर इट एंड 21st जुलाई इज द डेट जब पुष्य नक्षत्र है, तो आप तब से ये शुरू कर सकते हो. ओके, हीना, वियाना एंड मामा इज आस्किंग व्हाट इज द प्राइस एंड फ्रॉम वेयर टू बाय. हम लोग पहले ही बता रहे सबको कि कहाँ से ये बाय करना है.
उससे पहले मैं एक चीज बताना चाहती हूँ कि go ahead. I think I have already mentioned about the dosage and everything, like how to take it. This is what I wanted to give you. You should know this thing, like how to give the Suvarnaprashan drops to your baby. See, Suvarnaprashan drops actually जो Ayurvedic medicines है, ज़्यादातर you can give it to the early morning. So as soon as your baby wakes up, give your baby some water if he wants it, and then give these drops of Suvarnaprashan, 1 drop, 2 drop, as per the dosage or as per your baby's age, and then do not give anything till the 30 minutes or 15 or 20 minutes is fine, but let it be in baby's, उसको baby के अंदर properly वो baby उसको absorb कर ले, उसके बाद you can start giving the other foods. So yes, early morning as soon as the baby wakes up, and do not give anything, any food like liquid or any solid foods till 30 minutes after you give this. सुवर्ण
So
प्राशन.
after brushing, right? After brushing, or it's not
After
like कि
brushing.
उठते ही देना है या brush करने के बाद.
It's better कि उठते ही दे दे. So,
अच्छा,
you know,
okay.
the benefit is really good for it. And I don't think my baby doesn't brush his teeth in the early morning. Like, I, make him brush in the night. So that he is good to go. He just takes some water and he's good to go with that thing. So,
Okay.
yes. So,
So-
Riddhi 24 is asking you, Khushbu, like, how is the taste of it?
Sorry? It tastes sweet, yeah. I mean, no kid or no baby will resist this thing. Trust me. मुझे पसंद है. I mean, मैंने अभी ये भी सोच लिया कि ठीक है, अनहद के साथ साथ मैं भी लिया करूंगी. The taste is really good. It is sweet. It is sweet. The consistency is not watery. कभी भी स्वर्ण प्राशन मैं यही गलती कर देती बोलने में, ठीक है. सो उसकी जो कंसिस्टेंसी है वो कभी भी वाटरी नहीं होती. ये मैं अभी 1 मिनट ड्रॉप निकाल के इसमें से दिखाती हूँ. Yes, Hina, you are waiting
just
for
give
the
me a
link.
minute. You can continue, Khushbu. Give me a minute. मेरा Facebook बंद हो गया. Let me just restart it. My users are waiting there also.
Yeah, live video interrupt.
You
Yeah,
can
please go for it.
Yeah.
See, मैं अभी लाइव ये ड्रॉप इसमें से निकालूंगी. इट इज वेरी इजी, तो आपको ML के भी चक्कर में पड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. Somebody is saying my baby is very choosy. That's okay. इसका टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा है. अगर आप उसको वो दवाई से अगर रेजिस्ट करता है आपका बेबी, देयर इज नो नीड कि आप उसको दवाई ऐसा कुछ बोलो. ही और शी विल लाइक इट. ओके, आई होप दिस इज विजिबल इनफ.
तुम्हारा फोन देना इसमें देना. पर उसमें ना नहीं चल रहा है यार उसके साथ. चार्जर नहीं, छोटा चार्जर.
So this is the consistency. See, that's not watery even. So कुछ मैसी होना या ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. और डायरेक्टली आपको बच्चे को ये बॉटल से ही उनको ड्रॉप्स देने हैं. The taste is really sweet and good. I liked it. और जो ऑलरेडी आयुर्वेदा में बिलीव करते हैं, आयुर्वेदिक चीजों को, थेरेपी को जो फॉलो करते हैं, उनके लिए ये टेस्ट वो नॉर्मली रहेगा. मतलब बट बच्चे रेजिस्ट नहीं करेंगे. दैट्स माय गारंटी. I know, Hina, you are waiting for the link and you can't wait to try it. Thank you so much. And yeah, now we will announce the winners as well. हम लोग ये भी बताएंगे कहाँ से आपको ये बाय करना है. Riddhi और I also will be sharing a link जहाँ से आप ये बाय कर पाओ डायरेक्टली. Okay, so and yeah, very important thing.
Please wait for 2 minutes before announcing the winners. I am getting live again on the Facebook.
Yeah, please go ahead. We will not announce until then. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, fingers crossed tightly. Please keep your fingers crossed and see. जो भी winners रहेंगे, guys, do not get disheartened, okay? Because winners always like 1, 2 या 3 ही रहते हैं. But many of you have participated and guessed 2 hints right correctly. So we have something for everyone who have joined us in this live, who have already participated in the contest. So do not worry. Do not get disheartened because winners always 1, 2 या 3 रहते हैं. But हम सबको कुछ ना कुछ मिलने वाला है. So yeah, stay tuned and okay, many are saying that you are excited to try this. And again, 21st July is the day, जो 2 दिन बाद है, तब है पुष्य नक्षत्र. आप अपने बच्चे को ये सुवर्ण प्राशन देना तब से शुरू कर सकते हो. वो अच्छा माना जाता है, ठीक है. सो आपके बेबी के एज के हिसाब से ये ड्रॉप्स आप दे सकते हो. एवरीथिंग इज रिटन ऑन दिस पैक. ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, the ingredients, the benefits, the quantity of ingredients, and how to take, when to take, everything is here. Okay, and yeah, soon we are once Riddhi is live on Facebook again, we will announce the winners. And meanwhile, I will talk about other 2 Ayurvedic products of Baby Organo. जो लोग PU is saying super excited to try this, shall order as soon as you share the link. Yes, PU. Yes, thank you. Okay. So this is Hing Roll-On. People who joined us like lately, उनको ये नहीं पता होगा शायद, मतलब उसके बारे में हमने बहुत बात की आगे, कि जब भी बेबी को कॉन्स्टिपेशन या स्टमक एक या ऐसा कुछ भी होता है तो हमारे एल्डर्स, मदर्स एंड ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हमें बताते हैं कि पेट पे हिंग अप्लाई करे, बट वो कभी वो डायरेक्टली अगर आप अप्लाई भी करती हो तो इट इज नॉट गुड फॉर बेबी, बिकॉज उनका बहुत जेंटल और फ्रेजाइल स्किन रहता है. इसके बेनिफिट तो है. सो this is the Hing Roll-On, and it gives instant relief from colic, indigestion, and constipation. So you should also try this thing. मैंने ये ऑब्जर्व किया है रिक्ति कि ट्रैवलिंग में जब भी ऐसा कुछ इश्यू होता है ना, अगर तब ऐसा कुछ हमारे पास है तो नथिंग लाइक दैट, बिकॉज ट्रैवलिंग में वो खाने का रूटीन थोड़ा चेंज हो जाता है, चीजें बदल जाती है, तो कुछ ना कुछ इश्यू होता है.
वो भी होता है. एंड व्हाट आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड इज माय बेबी इज ऑलरेडी ऑलवेज अ कॉलिकी बेबी, और उसको क्या है, ज्यादातर प्रॉब्लम स्टमक रिलेटेड होते ही रहते हैं बेबीज को. तो द थिंग इज अप टू 6 months कॉलिक इज वेरी नॉर्मल इन द बेबीज, कि वो होता ही है ज्यादातर बेबीज को. एंड आफ्टर 6 when we start introducing top food to the babies, the next issue is the constipation.
Yeah.
So up to the 5 years of age, it is like a constipation issue for the babies. So this baby organo Hing Roll-On works on the colic and constipations really well. So
wow, and smell is also good. Riddhi, the smell is too good.
Like it? Yes.
Yeah.
So this is another my baby's favorite product. Whenever he says, "Mama, my tummy is hurting," and he's like, "Mama, medicine lagao, medicine lagao." So this is one more thing. And he knows that he'll get instant relief from this stomach ache.
Sorry?
He knows that he'll get instant relief from the stomach ache. So he's like, whenever he is tummy related issue, he comes to me and says, "Mama, dawai lagao," and he knows that how to use this.
So he knows that कि हाँ ये solution है, तुरंत मुझे relief मिल जाएगी.
So I want to tell my viewers also that all our products I am personally using for my baby, and I am recommending you as well. So it is not like that कि हाँ निकाल दिए products, पता नहीं use कर रहे होंगे नहीं. I am personally using all these products for my baby.
And one more thing, जितने भी viewers अभी जुड़े हैं उन सबको मैं बताना चाहूँगी कि Riddhi is also a person who believes in supporting others, and especially supporting other women. She is the founder of a Facebook and WhatsApp group. Group, or I would rather say community of Ahmedabad Mommies.
Right.
So she runs a Facebook group, Ahmedabad Mommies. उसमें वो अगर आप कहीं पे भी stuck हो, being a new mom, as a new mom बहुत सारे सवाल होते हैं. You just go to her group and put your question or query, and the other members who are also happen to be moms like us, they will happily answer you and support you. And so Riddhi, I must appreciate that, and I must say that you are doing a fab job.
So Khushbu, what I think is, mommyship is a thing of schooling thing. Like we are when we enter into this pregnancy phase, we have so many questions, and once we finish that phase, we are like pro in that thing. After that, when we become a mother, we are like, अरे यार ये कैसे करना है, वो कैसे करना है, baby क्यों ये करना है. We started Google searching, we started asking others and something like that. And then as soon as this phase passes, we became a pro on that thing also. So It is like we have new mothers, we have a pro mothers who help each other to go through this beautiful motherhood journey.
That's true. As a new mom, I used to put my question in each and every support group I'll be able to find on Facebook and WhatsApp. I don't know kitne groups mein member thi. And now it's like, I know how to do and what to do. And people now call me, Khushbu, ye kya karna hai jinke So it's all about a phase and time, it keeps on changing. And the other product, I think ये light है ना, इसलिए हाँ ज़्यादा. This is cold relief roll-on, and it gives an effective relief from sore throat, sneezing, and सर्दी है, खांसी है, तो उसमें ये roll-on आप use कर सकते हो. And okay, so ये आप कपड़ों पे भी apply कर सकते हो. Gently roll it on baby's clothes, chest, back, and bottom of the feet.
Yes.
Oh wow.
So, no, Khushbu, let me tell you one more thing about,
Yeah.
one hidden benefit of this product. No, we are not marketing with that thing, but whoever owns this product or whoever, want to try this product, let me tell you one hidden benefit of this product. Whenever you or your, baby get the mosquito bites, you can directly apply this roll-on on your, on that mosquito bite, and you will get instant relief from the itching. So, no, this is
So
one
we
of
can
the
also
hidden.
use this, right?
Yeah. Even more, adults can use it on the mosquito bite. And see, if you are, not that much allergic to cold and cough, like I have personally used this cold relief roll-on for my blocked nose and my, cold and cough personally as well, and it works well on the adult as well. But I'm not claiming anything. But if there are many conditions available to use it for the adults, like whether it will work or not. But see, if you are not that much addicted to the cough syrups or other cough products in the market, then you can this products is for babies only. So no, this is everything very mild. All the ingredients are very mild. So for normal cold and cough for adults also we can use this.
Great. And somebody is asking, Hina is asking कि कौन से age group के लिए, तो what's the age group?
For the cold relief, see,
Yeah.
it can work up to the 8 years of age, even more than that. Say if your baby or if your kid is not prone to the cough syrup और वो ज्यादा addicted नहीं है cough syrup से. एक बार क्या होता है खुशबू, जैसे हमने एक बार cough syrups लेना शुरू कर दिया, कुछ भी हम बॉडी के अंदर डालते हैं तो क्या होता है, एडजस्ट हो जाते हैं उसके साथ. ठीक है, तो क्या होता है, जैसे कफ सिरप्स पहले से दे रहे बेबीज, तो एक बार वो बॉडी एडजस्ट हो जाती है कफ सिरप्स के साथ, फिर और कुछ भी आप प्रोडक्ट ट्राई कर लोगे, इट वॉन्ट वर्क with that thing.
Yeah.
So if your baby is, if your kid is above 6 or 7 years of age and not that much addicted to the cough syrups or any other, cough related products, then you can definitely use this up to the 10 or 12 years of age.
और कब से यूज कर सकते हैं ये, मतलब कौन सी एज से हम
it is just the pure blend of essential oils. So essential oils can be used on the babies till 3 months of age, from the 3 months of age.
From 3 months. Okay, so Hina, I think you have, you have got your answer. Vij Vihar is asking that is it helpful in allergic cold, as his son is allergic. So allergic cold
to what? See, we have used, you can check the ingredients list on our website also. And let me tell you, the main ingredient of this product is the eucalyptus oil. This is blend of total natural essential oils. So if eucalyptus oil, sometimes babies are allergic to the eucalyptus oil. If that is the case, then of course you cannot use this product. But other than that, we have used eucalyptus, chamomile, wintergreen, peppermint, khadir oil. These are the pure essential oils. So if your baby is not allergic to the essential oils, then you can definitely use this product.
Yes, Shilpa, it can be used for a 1.5-year-old baby. You can, from 3 months to 8 years. You said, Riddhi, आप use कर सकते हो.
So if your baby is less than 3 months of age, and if you think that you don't want to give them any cough syrups for the cold and cough, and your baby is suffering from severe cold and cough, then what you have to do is do not apply directly on the skin, or do a patch test before you apply. Even if you apply roll-on or you do the natural cold relief roll-on, do a patch test first and then use it on the clothes if baby is less than 3 months of old.
It's always good and safe कि आप कोई भी नई प्रोडक्ट ट्राई करते हो तो do a patch test.
First.
And दूसरा that we can do, no Riddhi, like एक handkerchief है, वो उस पे ये लगा के अप्लाई करके साइड में रख दिया, फिर सोना जिसका जो वो smell आती है.
Initially, see how this product was invented. Like as I have told you that my baby was having cold and cough. क्या है? This is very common illness for the baby. जैसे ही मौसम चेंज होता है, वेदर चेंज होता है, बेबीज को कफ एंड कोल्ड हो ही जाता है. और कुछ नहीं तो नाक तो बंद हो ही जाती है. आजकल एसी में भी एसी में सोते हैं बच्चे. विदाउट एसी तो वी कैन नॉट सर्वाइव नाउअडेज. तो एसी में क्या होता है, कभी कभी बच्चों की नाक बंद हो जाती है. नाक बंद हो जाती है तो दे कैन नॉट ब्रीथ इजीली. इफ दे कैन नॉट ब्रीथ इजीली, तो उनको क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है, वो पूरी रात इधर से उधर होंगे, आपको जगाएंगे, अनकंफर्ट होंगे, आपको भी अनकंफर्ट करेंगे. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू जस्ट हैव टू ओपन दिस रोल ऑन, अप्लाई इट ऑन अ फ्रेश क्लॉथ, जो भी क्लॉथ है वो अच्छा कपड़ा है, और उसको बेबी के बाजू में रख दो. उससे क्या बेबी स्मेल करता है. द यूकेलिप्टस ऑयल हैज द प्रॉपर्टी टू रिमूव द नोज कंजेशन. तो बेबी स्मेल करता रहेगा, तो पूरी रात बाजू में रहेगा, तो जब भी नोज ब्लॉक होगी तो बेबी विल इनहेल दैट स्मेल और उसकी नोज खुल जाएगी एंड
I
वी कैन
have a
स्लीप.
doubt, you know. Anhat se zyada like my husband is gonna use it because I don't. He has that this
See,
cold
I am
issue and you know, I live with
using
him.
it personally. Whenever I have a blocked nose problem, or कुछ भी
Yeah,
थोड़ा सा, I keep smelling it and okay, everything is fine within a minute or two. So we can
yeah.
also use.
True. So lastly, before we announce the winners, Riddhi, why don't we share, you know, the details from where to buy, how to
Yeah,
buy?
yeah,
वो at least अभी details दे देते हैं. फिर of course we'll
definitely.
make a post and share your link and you know about
Yeah,
everything.
sure.
Yeah.
So, our product is available for the pre-order on our website www.babyorgano.com. We will share the link as well. हम comment में link भी share कर देंगे. So as of now, this is the site address from where you can pre-order the Bal Amrut Suvarna Prashan, and our two products are available there only. Our products are available. See, जो हमारा हिंग रोल है, if you go and search it in the Amazon, it is the Amazon's choice product. Even Amazon has liked this product very much.
That's
So this is
great.
our Amazon choice product, and our cold relief, and both the products are available on Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, and most of the well-known e-commerce platform.
So this
Suvan Prakshan,
Balamrut,
let me tell you one more thing,
yeah.
that we were going to launch Suvarna Prashan on the Amazon like other two products, but they were so excited, after hearing the benefits and everything of the product, that they have specially selected us for the Amazon Launchpad program. So Launchpad is
Wow.
the program where new brands are promoted
Congratulations.
by Amazon itself, and
Wow.
and they are very selective about. I
I
had rejected a couple of times for the Amazon Launchpad. Now when I go to them with this Balamrut, they were so excited to launch this product that they have specially requested us not to do go live this product on Amazon. Let's wait for the Launchpad. It will be in the August, and this product
wow.
will be on Amazon from the August. So till
Wow.
then, you can buy it from our website.
And it if you're able to see the comments, guys, then you know the website link is there. The black ribbon has commented. So
Okay. Zai is
yeah, so
coming. Yeah, Zai, please.
is that yeah, she must be there, है ना?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, fine. But एक क्वेश्चन अभी अराइज हुआ रिद्धि कि
Yeah.
अगर ये प्री ऑर्डर है तो अभी ये 21 जुलाई से पहले क्या करेंगे? नहीं मिलेगा.
21st, no, we have a limited stock available with us. So, we'll directly dispatch it.
सो गाइस जो देख रहे हैं उनको मैं बता रही हूँ कि अभी लिमिटेड स्टॉक है बिकॉज दिस इज अ प्री ऑर्डर फेज. सो इफ यू
Yeah.
रियली वांट टू ऑर्डर आप आज कर देना सो दैट आपको 21st से पहले वो डिलीवर हो जाए.
We
खुशी
will try
नक्षत्र
our
से आप
level
मुझे जरूर
best
कंफर्म.
to get it delivered till, we have tie up with the delivery partners. So, for the quick delivery options, we'll try our level best to get it delivered before 21st. But, because of this current situation,
आई नो.
बारिश हो रही है, तो शायद delay हो सकता है.
नो द
So,
डिलीवरीज आर गेटिंग डिलेड एक्चुअली. या
even if it gets delayed, you get the product and start using it from the next Pushya Nakshatra.
या
That is 1 month after that.
ओके
So
ग्रेट
you can
ग्रेट.
use the product. But I would request you to, I would suggest everyone to, buy it ASAP, because Amazon is going to take all our stock very soon and we are going to be stock out. So if you want anything, because see, Amazon will launch it by itself, like उसको जब launch करना होगा तब वो launch करेगा. अगस्त में भी कर सकते हैं उनके, जब वो अच्छे से उनको पता है कि कब मेरे ज्यादा customers आने वाले हैं, they will launch it at that time only. So before that I would, if अगर आपको चाहिए तो इट्स बेटर कि आप प्री ऑर्डर कर लीजिए साइट के ऊपर से. So अच्छा रहेगा फिर.
Okay. So now, should we announce the winners? Or is there
Yes,
anything
yes,
left
yes.
like
So,
you want to
for my
say or
Facebook
mention?
users, it's time to announce the winners of the contest. And Khushbu is
Okay.
going to announce the winners, and I will just keep repeating the winners for my Facebook users. Name of
Guys,
the winner.
as I said earlier, एक दो या तीन विनर्स हो सकते हैं. सो प्लीज जितने लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था ये कॉन्टेस्ट में हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं, प्लीज डोंट गेट डिसहार्टन. आप सबको कुछ ना कुछ बेनिफिट है, वो हम एंड में अभी भी बताएंगे. रिद्धि विल अनाउंस, आई एम श्योर. सो बिकॉज मैंने बहुत बार बोल दिया है, तो वी लाइक वी आर गोइंग टू अनाउंस दैट फॉर ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू. सो द फर्स्ट विनर इज भावना जैन. Bhavna, are you there?
Do we have Bhavna? The first winner is Bhavna Jain. Do we have Bhavna
Riddhi,
Jain with us?
have you?
Bhavna, say hi. Bhavna, are you there?
I think is she the same person? Like, yeah, Bhavna 737. Is she
Yeah, yeah,
Bhavna?
yeah, yeah, yeah.